Hello everybody, this is me, this is JP in another awesome video. Well, this is 2024 already. I hope you guys had a blast, a wonderful study year. Okay, but today I'm with a really good friend of mine. This is the Inca. Do you know what Inca is it? If you know the answer, please leave a comment in this video. I'm also gonna give you the answer at the end of the video. Okay, but today I'm gonna talk to you about two important verbs in French. The verb to be, which is the verb êtres, and the verb to have, which is the verb avoir. Let's go. So talking about the verb to be in French, le verbe être, we're gonna go over the conjugation. So it goes like this. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, il, elle, pluriel, sont. So now that you guys know the conjugation of the verb to be in French, le verbe être, let's have some examples, and they're gonna be with nationalities, and it goes like this. Je suis péruvien, tu es canadien, il est mexicain, elle est mexicaine, vous êtes américain. Nous sommes belges. Et la dernière pour le pluriel, ça sera ils sont. Ils sont français. Et pour le féminin, elles sont françaises. Now let's go with the verb to have, which is in French le verbe avoir. So we have the conjugation like this. Je, tu as, il, elle a. Nous savons, vous savez, il, elle ont. Now that we know the conjugation of the verbe avoir, let's see it in some sentences, and they're gonna be with our age. And it goes like this. J'ai 35 ans. Tu as 28 ans. Il ou elle a 14 ans. Nous avons 43 ans. Vous avez 79 ans. Et la dernière pour le pluriel, ça sera il ou elle ont 26 ans. This is it. This is all, everybody. I hope you like this video. This was about le verbe être, le verbe avoir, the verb to be and the verb to have. Try to practice them all. They're pretty interesting. And I mean, no, you are not only going to use it for nationalities and your age. For example, you can use le verbe être when you guys start talking about the past. Je suis allé au restaurant. So I went to the restaurant. And in the case for le verbe avoir, you can also use it when you have certain things, like for example, j'ai deux sœurs, deux frères. Continue practicing these two verbs with more sentences. Maybe you can find online. I'm also gonna give you more in the description. Okay, and well, maybe you wonder what happened to the sun. Earlier was sunny. Well, there is a thunderstorm or something coming. I mean, it's like sparkling, like okay, that was a lightning, bro. The sound is a thunder. Okay, so yes, it's like almost rainy, not too much. Okay, so the answer, yes, about the Inca. So the name is, yes. I mean, if you said Pachacutet, you guys were right. This is it. This is all. Thank you guys, and we're gonna see each other in another video. Bye bye.